Hello, welcome to my Harris Lake Park School Libraries wiki page. This page was originally created for my Using Tech in the Classroom class. This video will give you an overview of the different things that are available on this site and where to find them. Right now, this is on the home page. On the home page, you will find the reasons for this site, who it is for. You will also see right here a link so you can take a tour of the site, which is the video that you're watching right now. Finally, there is a message board that students can discuss what books they're currently reading and whether or not they would recommend them to others. Then if you go over to the right-hand side, you will find that there are many different pages available. The first page that's available is for teachers. It is an in-service where teachers learn about all the different databases that are available to them. There are several different resources available on this page, from posters for teachers to hang into their classroom, as well as how-to videos that teachers can go back and read over again, or that they can view if they missed the in-service. The next link is a series of lessons on the Caldecott Medal for second graders. This page uses the database BookFlix. There is also a link to a Caldecott matching game where students can practice reviewing summaries of books with the titles of the books. The next link is for a third grade lesson on parts of a book. Students will learn all of the different parts of a book and where those parts of a book are found. Before the students have an assessment on the parts of a book, there is a book review video that students can watch. The next lesson available is for fourth graders. It is based on the book My Name is Alice. Students will use many different research databases to research names of different animals, places to live, and they will create their own class book. This year's class created the book My Name is Annabelle. This is an example of what one of the pages looked like in the book. The next lesson that is available is also for fourth graders. This is about the Newbery Award. This page has book trailers for the visual learners. There are book talks that will happen in this lesson for the auditory learners. There is also a scavenger hunt in this lesson for the bodily and kinesthetic learners. The next lesson that you will find on the right-hand side is biographies. This is for fifth graders. Fifth graders are going to use many different resources, including digital databases, to help them research a famous American. This unit will end in students having a choice of their final product. They will either create a biography block or they will create a short digital story. There is a link to a student digital story that they created on Abraham Lincoln. The next page that students can go to is a lesson for fifth graders on how to use the card catalog. Students will be taught in class how to use the card catalog. Then they will need to demonstrate that they can perform several searches on their own. While they are performing the searches on their own, if they forget how to perform the searches, there is a link to a how to use the school card catalog video that they may use. The last lesson available for students is for eighth graders. It is on fair use. There is a series of lessons, and this series of lessons starts with a pretest that the students will take on Google Docs. You can see the results from the pretest that students have taken this year. There is also a place for students to play games dealing with cyber safety to get them familiar with some terms. Finally, this wiki also has a place where elementary students and middle school, high school students can go to suggest books that they think might be a good fit for our school libraries. The final page available to students is a helpful links page. Students can click here to find direct links to many databases that we have learned about and use on a regular basis. I hope this video tour has gotten you more familiar with the Harris Lake Park Library's Wikispaces